Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons before watching the video. Thank you. The 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 All is a compact electric vehicle, EV, that aims to make electric driving more accessible. It's positioned as a cheap addition to VW's growing electric lineup, appealing to city drivers and those new to EVs. Design. The ID.2 All has a sleek, modern appearance with compact proportions, making it suitable for city driving. Its simple look features a streamlined front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a tiny hatchback body design. The interior is both basic and utilitarian, with an emphasis on user-friendly technology and sustainability. Performance. The ID.2 All is powered by a single electric motor and provides a good balance of efficiency and performance. While not a powerhouse, its electric engine generates quick torque, making city driving responsive and enjoyable. The range is competitive, with approximately 250 to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on driving circumstances and trim level. It also enables fast charging, which is useful for long travels or quick recharges. Technology and features. The ID.2 All comes with modern technology features such as a digital cockpit, voice-activated controls, and a variety of driver assistance systems including as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic parking. Practicality. Despite its small size, the ID.2 All provides a surprising amount of interior room, including versatile seating and cargo options. It's created with city living in mind, with easy maneuverability, a comfy ride, and a peaceful cabin. Conclusion. The 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 All is an appealing option for individuals looking for an economical, practical, and elegant introduction to the world of electric vehicles. It blends Volkswagen's reputation for build quality with cutting-edge EV technology, making it an excellent choice for city driving and daily commutes. I'll thank you staying to the finish of the video. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.